Hello and welcome to Steve's Backyard Bonsai. Today I'm going to rehash this sad story. This was my royal oak given to me by Matt Brenner. Matt Brenner, as you may know, is friend of bonsai YouTubers near and far. And I'm seeing a little bit of good news on this, unbelievably, but Matt sent me this big box, and we're going to be looking inside and seeing what he sent. All right, the sad story I'm referring to is the tale of the wild rabbits that roam around my neighborhood, which really seem to like chewing on this particular royal oak. But as luck would have it, I see a bud here, nascent buds nonetheless, a bud. I see a bud way down here and a bud there. So there might be something that happens with this tree anyway. The roots should be good. I put it in this pot to really have them grow on. And I've been keeping it pretty well watered, although the winter kind of screwed me up. There wasn't as much snow as I thought there would be, and I watered it whenever I could. But this was a beautiful double trunk, and it may still be. That would be my fervent hope. What's also very hopeful is a box back here that has, well, I don't know what it has in it. Let's find out together. I actually do know what's in the box because Matt was very forthcoming. He said, so what I sent was 5 of Tony's Royal Oaks, 5 of them. Oh, that's fantastic. 2 poplars, several rooted Western red cedar cuttings, and 1 Japanese black pine. Well, I don't have any Japanese black pines, and I'm not sure what the difference is between an Eastern red cedar and a Western red cedar, but I'll find out. And Tony's Royal Oaks, that's really special. All right, let's get opening. I have a tub of water sitting here, which you may be able to hear the splashing around, because there's livestock in here. Quite a job, quite a packing job. This arrived yesterday, intact, and we've got some peanuts. Oh my God. This is intense. Ah, of course. Oh, nice job, nice job. All right, let me get something to put the peanuts in, and we'll get unpacking. I'll speed this part up. All right, this is amazing. This is just amazing. Thank you so much, Matt Brenner. I got 4 issues of Bonsai Focus, which I will really treasure, from 2024. Yeah, from 2024. These are going to make a beautiful little forest, and I think I have the right tray for it. Of course, it is a mica tray, as these will be outdoor trees. And I do remember an episode of Tony's Bonsai where he said, if it can't survive outside, I don't want it. And I'm kind of like that myself. There's only so many I can fit into the greenhouse the way it's configured. And I would like my trees to remain outdoors. However, I do have to take some precautions about rabbits. for next winter. And I see them hopping around the property when they're not in the backyard being chased by Luca. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm assuming you grew these from acorns, so they must be, I'm guessing, 4 years old. Beautiful, beautiful start. And I'm seeing the same type of buds on these that I see in the one that the rabbits ate. So maybe that one goes in the forest with these. Fantastic. Thank you so much. And not to be outdone, here's a very cool Japanese black pine. Needs repotting, and I will do that. Fantastic. I see all kinds of new growth on it. Matt, in the comments, leave me the age of these trees, if you know it, and the history. I would like to know all that. This is fantastic. This is fantastic. And very similar foliage to Thuja occidentalis, but all scale-like. So these are all rooted. I have some trees that I might want to put these with also. Fantastic. Well, I've got my work cut out for me. A, trying to find pots, and B, well, I've got some new soil that I purchased. I've got some 1/4-inch pumice, some calcined clay, also small grain. I'm going to get away from the larger grain that I have prepared now. I might have to use that on some of these just to use it up. But this is just fantastic. Thank you so much, Matt. These oaks mean so much to me. Thanks for keeping me company in my backyard. Okay, just a little correction. I think these two are the poplar. Yes, I'm sure they are. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the royal oaks. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Thanks again for keeping me company in my backyard.